is the second one I'm working on. So one side is... Hello! One more box unpacking. So people will think, what's wrong with this guy? Skip unboxing them. So don't worry guys, more boxes coming up on the way. So this is the chair, last video I said. So this is gonna be the chair. Let's see what is inside. This came today. So this, what is the color?
Blush pink.
Blush pink.
Yeah, to go with their room.
Let me take out all of them first. One in there. This is the two back.
Two back.
The seat, I guess. One more seat. So I think two boxes of that. Is there anything else in there? What is this? Receipt and manual how to fix it. Should be simple fixing. Let's see. So there is a screw in it. This is the leg. Which color? The
Gold.
leg. Gold color leg. Yeah, quite nice and shiny. Yeah.
Pink.
Let's start. Same again. Same. All this screw. This goes on the, I think it goes on the leg or bottom, I don't know. I have to check all of them. That's the Allen key. And there is a screw, all of them. This thing goes in there. Yeah. Screw gonna go in there. It's kinda hard to fix the screw. It doesn't go straight away. So first I'm gonna put one and the other one's gonna balance, hopefully. So now I have to put two more on the back. So these two are the back one. That one is going easily. Amara done one leg.
That one.
I need to tighten up that one more.
I don't.
Is it?
It's tight enough. You can feel it for yourself.
But still.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
Yeah, it's the same, isn't it?
Yeah, when you showed me, it looked exactly
Yeah.
the same.
It's quite good.
Like, no difference at all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Yeah, but you don't want grey, you want it a bit different, innit?
Yeah.
Look, adjustable. It's move. Now which way you wanna move, it's gonna move.